Hey, this is what I made yesterday, and today I'm going to do trimming, and this goes on top of this. I just make sure that it's right on center. So this circle helps me to keep this on center. So I make sure that it is on center. If not, then I do some adjustment. Here you go. Seems like it is on center. I want to introduce a tool that I just bought it. So this is the first time I'm using it, so I thought I can also share. I have written a link and you can check it out in description of this video. Let me show you can do with this tool. So it comes like 8 different tools in the package. This I have not even opened yet. And each does different things based on the shape and design that you want to create. So I'm going to continue working on that. Let me go back to the front here. And this is what I like most. So I use this, and this goes like here, and it creates a nice lips. Make sure it's sitting on center. If not, then it would be difficult to do that.